babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a wig install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from Celie hair. It's a 13x4 24-inch 200 density silky straight wig. Okay, lace frontal. I already colored this wig jet black. I recently purchased this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. So we're going to be installing using that particular lace adhesive. This is what the inside of her looks like. I did already bleach the knots. I did light customization. So let me get this one off and we're gonna get into the install. All right, so if you've been on this channel, you know that I'm not a fan of the ball cap method. I'll do it every once in a while. I like to take my wigs off, so I like the stocking cap, line it up, and work your magic. That method just gives me a headache. My wig be flawless when my head be hurting. This wig does come with adjustable straps, and as I stated, it's 24 inches, so it's not that long, but it falls like, it's a decent length, you know what I'm saying? Now y'all have watched me struggle with this wig for a little bit, but honestly, I think I'm done. So this is the finished look. This is Celie's hair. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is a straight texture hair. So I did bleach the knots and I did a little bit of tweezing. This lighting is not the best. I hope it don't have me looking crusty because I need to take some pictures. But Celie never disappoints. I didn't show y'all the back. This is the back. I kind of feel childish with this hairstyle a little bit. So yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Basically, as far as the adhesive spray, the Ebin Wonder Lace, save your money. There's so many other products that we use on a regular basis that actually work better. So I actually have a video coming very soon to show y'all some new products. So stay tuned for that. This one, I'm gonna put that on the side as like a backup maybe. Or if anyone has any suggestions when it comes to using it, definitely drop that in the comments because this is the second time I attempted to use it and it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. Check out all the links in the description box as far as this hair, and I want to thank you beauties for watching and definitely stay tuned.
Back keep flowing, hit the gas keep going, yeah them girls on tour going city after city.